Hello friends. Now today I am coming with this video for discussing how we can upload a video on a YouTube, and thereafter how we will create its link, shareable link, and that how we will create a PDF file consisting of this link. So this is our task. Today we are going to learn how to upload a video in a simple way. So, as you have already created a video, it may be in the gallery. You can locate your video from the gallery. I used to go to my files. You can have any of the file manager in your mobile that you can use, and then you locate where is your particular file that you want to upload on a YouTube. On YouTube, while uploading, you can directly upload the video to your YouTube, or you can create a YouTube channel, and through that also you can upload. But I am here in this video, I am going to discuss the shortest and simplest way to upload the video. So now just locate my video. Here is my class 8 computer science video 1. So that this is a video file, is a mp4 file that I want to upload on a YouTube media. So what I am doing in a simple way, you have to press and hold as we used to share on other social platforms. We used to click on a share button. The same way you have to do the steps. Then you click on a share button, down you will get that share button, and you will get a multiple options and multiple apps where we can share this video. At present we are interested in YouTube. So in this, you on the top you can see there are multiple options, icons. Out of these, the third icon is a YouTube icon. So all the mobiles will have this YouTube already installed. You have to click on a YouTube, and thereafter it will ask you the even if you can reduce the length of the video or something editing you want to do, but we are not doing in these steps. We are uploading the video as it is. So here you will get the email ID where it is. Here I have created a video studio channel, so in that it will upload, or otherwise you can directly your email ID name will be there, and there you can upload the video. So here we have to write down the name of the video. Suppose I write down chapter 1. Now we are uploading on a YouTube, so you can write down for what purpose this chapter is there. So for example, I am having this chapter on number system, so I will write down here number system. Okay. Instead of writing the chapter 1, I will write down the number system here. And on the top, you can see a blue arrow here, as we used to get in the WhatsApp or some other place. That arrow you have to click, and then what you will see directly that video start uploading. It's showing you here 0%, 6% uploaded, and this is the fastest media to upload the video on YouTube. Few mobiles will get the descriptions as well. So even if you are not getting, after uploading also, there we can write down the description of the video, and you have to wait for the video to get uploaded fully. Now it is showing 12%, and it will take 3 minutes to upload the entire video. It depends on your net speed, how much, and the size of the video, how much time it will take to upload. So here it will become a bigger video. What I will do, I will select that video directly, what I have uploaded. One more time I will go to that part, just miss. So we have click on a YouTube, and then we have written the name of the video as number system. Okay, then here you will get a description as well, so you can write down the conversions or whatever the subtopics you can write down here. Then you will click on a blue button, and that video gets starts for uploading, and afterward it will get uploaded. It will show you the progress bar as well. Now here down, if you see few videos I have already uploaded, in front of that you will get three dots, and there you will get a share option. So when you click on a share option, you can directly share to other platform, but here we are interested in creating a PDF file consisting of the link, so that we will share this video, YouTube video, in terms of a PDF file. So what you have to do, you have to click on a copy link, so it will show you copied. After this you can close all the apps, no problem, because our link is copied to clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary memory location in your smartphone. And whenever whatever you copy, it goes to that particular place, and when you paste something, so it will take it from the, or it will bring from the clipboard. So don't worry, it can go to any of the app, and you can share that link which we have copied already. Now we will see how we will create its PDF document containing that particular link. So you will go to Google Docs. So here, before doing these steps, you just ensure that your smartphone is installed with the YouTube is already there, installed with any of the word processor. But I will recommend you Google Docs, the very first icon that is in blue color, because here it give you facility to create its PDF very easily. Even if you want to create some few short notes, or your study material, or something notes types of things, like we used to do Word document, and you want to share in terms of PDF, this is the better option. Through Google Docs you can create a PDF very easily. So I will demonstrate that as well. So what you will do, you will click on a Google Docs, and then you will see you will get a plus icon here, that we are going to create a new document. So click on a new document, and you will get here one blank document. So here you can write down some instructions for how to download the video, or you can have your short notes for your study material that you want to go along with the video, so that student will have a handy course material with them through this online session. So better way you can write some notes, or copy paste notes here. Here I will write down a simple instruction. Click here, here to click here to download, to view, YouTube video on. You can write down the particular topic, so student will have a multiple PDF files, so or viewers are having multiple PDF files, so they can differentiate. So you can write down the actual topic. Sorry, the chapter name is number system here. Okay, then I will press enter. This key is very important here. Enter key is in the rightmost down uh, corner. You will get that, and what you will do, now you will press and hold here, and you will get a paste option as we used to do in the other software. Then you will click on a paste, and here you will get a link. And now most important step here that you should not miss, you have to press enter here. Once you will press the enter key, then only this YouTube link will get active. Otherwise it will not work. So you must be very much careful. Once you press the link, you have to press the enter key. The cursor will come down and the link becomes in a blue color, and even if it will get underline also. So then after we have already done this with our document. Now you have to click on a blue tick. This is on the topmost bar, means at the top of this window. Here is the left side, you will get a blue tick. You have to click on a blue tick, so you will go to the your original page, and there you will see untitled document. So you have to click on a untitled document. So what you will get, it will ask you to rename this. So I will write down here link to number system, or chapter 1, whatever the name you want to give. Chapter 1 number system. So you write down as much descriptive you can write down, because hereafter you will have a multiple links in your mobile PDF file, so you should able to differentiate that as well. So you write down the descriptive name of your document, then click on OK. So here I have given the name link to number system, so that name will come here on the top. Now what you have to do, now this document is created in a Google Docs app. By default it is in Word format. In Word file is docs extension, but we want this in a PDF format. So what you have to do, see carefully, on the topmost right side you will get three dots here. You have to click on these three dots, and then you will get a multiple options here. Out of that you have to click on a share and export. Now again there is a direct share option, but it will share with the default file format. We are interested in PDF format. So what you have to do, you have to click on a save as option. So when you will click on a save as option, you will get a multiple document formats that can be used for sharing this document. I will use the PDF document. PDF is a portable document format. This is most popular format for sharing the text and the image material, any of the course material or the things in a very compressed way. It will share with anybody on internet or mobile platforms very easily. It can be viewed as well. So you have to select a PDF document, and then you will click on a OK button. So after some time you will see the saving process is done, and it is showing that that file is converted to the PDF. You can see here it is named as link to number system dot PDF. Now this window will show that your file is created. Even if you can go to the download, here download button is there, where you can download this. Even if you close this, don't worry. What happen, what your files, whatever the links or whatever the documents you create using Google Docs will all get stored in Google Drive. By default it will go, so no need to search your document where it goes. You go to Google Drive again, and in the Google Drive you have to find out this file. So suppose there are different views in the Google Drive. If you see in below this computer, the third row, you can see in the name row, there is one icon with the like apps icon. You can click here, it will show the different views. Now this is the most convenient view, is a single list view, where we can see, and down it should be files. There are four buttons, so it should be click on the file, and you have to find out. So my name of the my file is linked to number system.pdf. So multiple files will be there. That's why it should be given in a very descriptive way. so that you can identify and differentiate your lesson or topic. Now here, how to identify which one is the PDF? See the red icons, these are in the PDF, and blue icons are the other format or a Word files or a simple document. So here I will click on this PDF link to number system PDF. Now here it will open this file. You can zoom it out and you can see, if I click on this link, what happen, it will directly redirect the viewer to the YouTube, wherever you have uploaded this. Okay, so that way you can check first before uploading or before sharing with your target audience, that it is working or not. Now the next part is that you can download, so that at present it is in the Google Drive. If you want, you can download it. So if you click on download, it will go to your download folder. So in case you are going to use some other software, or as a attachment you want to upload this PDF link containing link to your YouTube video, there you can easily locate this PDF file in your folder, so you can download or you can make a copy to this. So hope you understood. This is the simplest way to upload the video on a YouTube, either directly, or you can create a channel as well, but this is the simplest way what I have discussed here. And then next part is creating a link to this, sharing this link to your PDF file. So this is what I have discussed in this video. Hope everybody you understood this. Again, before ending this video, you must have installed with two apps in your mobile, is a Google Drive and other one is Google Docs. So kindly install this and then do these steps by watching my video. So thank you friends, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.